Hello friends, very good morning. Here Bala here, and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, how the candlesticks pattern is pays such a good profit while I'm using the positional trade, that I'm going to discuss with this video. And that candlesticks pattern is nothing about white inside out of candlesticks pattern. That was giving me such a great idea to find out the trend, where based on this candlesticks pattern I was taking a trade that was giving me such a great profit. In 2 to 3 days I made such a great amount of money. So that I'm going to discuss here now. So if anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So what is about that inside out candlesticks pattern? So the previous candle should be red in color. Okay, the previous candle should be red color, and next day the market is open with the green candle and closes above that high. So this is what inside out candlesticks pattern. Whenever this kind of candlesticks pattern which forms in a market, that will be scanned by this white inside of candlesticks pattern. So if you want to note that code, you can take a screenshot, or I already shared, I think, on my Telegram channel. You just go through my description about this video, you will find out the Telegram link, so where you can join and get this code as in free of cost, right? So based on this candlesticks pattern, we find out such a trade opportunity. So let's show you that. I was running the scan now, so I don't get any opportunities today, but this is the daily candle. And 2nd August, that is what the 2nd September, we find out lot more stock like Mindtree, LTT, NSE&MCX, so a lot of stocks. So here I was selected Mindtree. Let's I show with Mindtree, and it is forming that kind of candlesticks pattern on 2/9/2021. So let's show you the Mindtree now. So this is the exact candlesticks pattern, and it is more powerful because on 31st August the same stock which forms a doji or a spinning top, right? Can you able to see the doji or a spinning top when it is forms on 31st August? You see, check that the stock's trend is clear going up. So it is moving up and up, and here it forms a doji like that. So whenever it breaks below the level, sell. Here we are going to buy. So again the next 2 days it forms a this candle. This is called our candlesticks pattern inside out up. So that is white inside out up, right? So that candle were formed at that level. So again it gives you the confirmations where there is a buy opportunity once it is broken. The next day it broken, and after that again it moves slightly higher, and 2 days it was staying in the same level, and again it forms a spinning top. But this spinning top is not happen at the highest level or lowest level, but the trend is going on. Again the breakout, so that gives you such a great movement, and again a doji, again today broken, now it is moving. Now the stock is reaches nearby 4,000 rupees. We are trading from 3,800, so almost 200 rupees profit from this stock. So based on this white inside of candlesticks, again spinning top breakout, lot more happening on the stocks. Okay, so that giving you clear confirmation about uptrend of this stock. So based on that, we have taken the call option of 3,700, call option at 275. Now it is trading somewhere around 332, and I was booking the same by 335, and also this should be the day high. And I have mentioned that open position in my last video. I think in one video I was shared about that position which I have taken 275, and today I'm closing that position by 335. So this is my sell value, because here it will only show the closing values from closing. So where I bought 275, now I closed by 334, almost 24,000, which I made profit based on the candlesticks pattern. Based on the candles, that will always work better. So if you want to practice more about the candlesticks pattern, or if you are practicing about more candlesticks pattern, you are also going to make such a great kind of money. So that is why I'm giving you all the scanner with a free of cost. So if you want to take, you can make use of it, the scanner, and join with my Telegram. So that is a free of cost, you can join. And now the price is 334 and 340. So we have taken two trades as for my clients, two lots. So we done 24,000 into 2, almost 48,000. We booked a profit around this single candlesticks pattern reversal. I hope you understand what I'm discussing. All are the candlesticks pattern I was mentioning here, and I was done. So if anyone who ready to take that, you can make use of it, and you can trade from your own also, right? So this is the candlesticks pattern, which gives you such a great opportunity where I find out such a great trade. So here in the Mindtree that was working, and the last video also I showed you, right? And now, and well, let's see, some more stocks are forming at the white inside of Mindtree, TCS, Marico. Let's go for a check. So when you are finding out, such a kind of trade, you should take a quality stocks to trade in options, because so if the stock is not trading very well, so you may not able to buy or sell that same position at the right time, right? So that is what our main concept. This is a let MPS is red. Okay, so that was our MPS that we have done on an intraday basis by yesterday. So let's say TCS on 2nd September, September, what happened? Yes, second this one, correct? So when it is broken that high from 3,859, so it is slightly higher from that entry price. So that is still in profit, but initially it going down again makes a doji, and again it is moving up. And some other stocks like Marico, the same kind of pattern which is useful to follow the trend. Marico, the 2nd September, when it is broken and it is moving again, here a spinning top like a hammer kind of candle, so where I broken around 563 and moves 587. So that is a good opportunity where it is present in the market. So we have to find out that opportunity based on any, but we are not using any indicators to find out this is the trend or like that. So we'll simply use the candlesticks pattern that always giving you clear information about the market. Now the option is still moving up. So what I did, I was invested around 1.1 lakhs for this option, because I buy around 275. So the 400 and large size is around 1 lakh 10,000. Now I made a 24,000 is around more than 20% of my investment. So it's a good enough profit while I'm waiting for a 2 to 3 days. So making such a great profit on that. So that is happening based on the candlesticks pattern, right? So a lot of stocks, and recently also I find out some stocks the day before, that is yesterday 14th September, I think Glenmark, Granules, PEL, these are the stocks which forms. Let's check what happened. PEL, Glenmark, PEL, that was not giving you breakout opportunity because it started higher and it started moving. And Glenmark, something it's going up. I think I got some messages. Yes, now you see that the Glenmark is broken that level. It is break out that level. So it even there is opportunity. This is I am recording it to right now live. There's a live market. Okay, so may have the chances to go move up, but not for intraday basis. It is a positional basis. You have to plan what kind of trade you are going to take. So whether intraday or positional. So you should plan your trade as per your risk and reward ability. Okay, right? And granules. Granules also good one. And we did some trades on granules. Granules. Perfect. So there is opportunity in granules when it is break above 377, 337.4, we will go for, and it is already broken, I think, because the previous candle. Let's go for a 15 minutes, and this was the first candle. Sorry, this is the first 15 minutes, and this I is 337.30, 337.55. So now this granules getting the entry opportunity right now. Let's say what will happen on the stock. So we will wait for some more time. So if it is positive, so we can go for that. So in daily time frame, this is not for intraday. Again, I tell you, this is not for intraday trade. It is a positional trade where we are planned for a positional kind of trade. So the stock has started falling from starting of the month, and now it has started uh, making the candlesticks pattern of inside out. So now it is broken. The risk for the trade is 321, almost 15-16 point risk for the trade. If you are ready to take that risk, you can take it. Other than otherwise, don't go for that. So that's about my today's trade where I made a good profit using candlesticks pattern that I discussed here. I hope this may be a useful video to learn more about candlesticks pattern to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. I can tell you, so I have added my Telegram channel link on my description of each and every video. You can go through that and find out the link, and you can join it, and you can get it that course by free of cost. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thanks for my subscribers, because you are giving a big support. So daily we are adding more subscribers. Thanks for that, and thank you for your subscription, because it gives me some motivation to do more on YouTube. Thank you for your thing. Thank you so much.